Charan! Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to our Google AdSense PIN verification. Thank you so much for these wonderful blessings today that I've got this morning, and we will right away link this Google PIN to our Google AdSense account. Okay, here it is. Let's open this. Thank you so much guys. I will grab this opportunity to say thank you to all my subscribers, viewers, supporters, and especially to all my sponsors who keeps on watching and who keeps on supporting this channel to sustain. Thank you so much. It's a very big thing for me guys. Each and every one of you has contributed this channel to grow. Thank you so much guys, and to all Warinons, to all my members as well. Super thank you po ako sa inyo kasi nandyan kayo at hindi nyo pinapabayaan na mahuli tayo sa ating channel sa iba. Thank you so much. Hindi ko ma-explain yung happiness ko because I've got this morning this letter and this verification number, so that all of our income or points will be ma-finalize na po. Dito na po siya. Ito nakasalala yung ating YouTube channel, yung income, whatever it is. Dito po. So, to all those who struggle in waiting this verification code guys, have patience guys. Have patience. Kanga. Kasi patience is virtue. Do not request PIN again. As I have said, be patient. Huwag kayong mag-request again ng PIN kasi it took for 2 to 4 weeks hanggang dumating itong Google PIN verification. Huwag kayong mag-request. Maghintay lang po ng 1 month or 30 days. For example, hindi dumating ng 1 month, pwede na kayong mag-request PIN. Huwag kayong request ng request kasi hindi, mas lalo siyang tumatagal every time na nagre-request kayo ng PIN. So guys, congrats to all those new money channel also like me, new money channel. Thank you so much guys. Tan 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 tan. Kasi remove side edges first. Dahan-dahan kasi pag hindi mo yan dahan-dahan, malalagot yung PIN number mo. Mga edges daw, yung mga gilid. La 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 la. Okay lang yan guys. Have patient. La 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 la. Ito na po siya guys. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Your Google AdSense personal identification number. It says, welcome to Google AdSense. To enable payments for your account, please follow these steps. Ano na natin? I-link na natin sa Google AdSense natin yung ating PIN. Okay? Stay put. 246. PIN number is a 6-digit number, guys. So, you have to input this 6-digit number to your Google AdSense account. Okay? There's a verify your identity. Address verification. So, dito na tayo. 1, 2, 3. Dalawa pa lang numbers. Yan. Yan. Check, double check. Yan. Submit. Sasubmit mo. Pag na-input mo na po yung numbers doon sa ano mo, sa enter pin yung mail your billing address, isasubmit mo po siya. So, double check lang yung number, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Okay na po. Thank you so much. Love you all. Hindi pa nga nag...